I'm not happy with you. I can't possibly. Your case is 509 days old on the first one. Your second one is 477 days old.
And I was homeless and stuff like that, so they already knew that. So I had a lot going on, and if I had a date to appear in court, I would appear in
He's
court.
giving you PR bond after PR bond after
So,
PR bond.
in court.
No, it ends today. She goes with you.
And there it is, the judge slams the brakes on leniency. A PR bond is basically a get-out-of-jail-free card where a defendant is released without paying money. But after 500-plus days of delays? The judge is done playing Monopoly with him.
I already went on to jail and got out of jail.
I'm not giving you another PR bond.
I just got out of jail. They said,
times.
I thought you said I was going to the mental, for the
Hold on a second. Ms. Galaviz, let's do this. If you can please put her in the jury box, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to see.
Please, sir, because I will abide by
I'm not
anything
giving
you
the-
say. I just got out of jail. And that's why I got out of jail, come to court for, and they said they would not detain me and put me in jail if I abide by themselves. But I just got out of jail and said I won't be arrested.
The judge-
Just stuff, man.
The judge runs the
Stuff.
court.
I had the paperwork in here.
The
You know,
judge
I
runs the
won't come to court. And I have my paperwork and all for the charge that we did.
Mr. Banks, you're charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. If there's going to be probable cause, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
About June 11th, 2024, officers were dispatched to an assault in progress call and observed two males at the location matching the description that the caller provided. They spoke with complaining witness who was sitting at a pick call, and she stated that she did, and her son is currently yelling by her residence. Officers in fully marked HPD uniforms approached the defendant, and the defendant started walking away. Officers told the defendant to stop 5 times and took out their handcuffs. Defendant began running away and went about 100 to 150 feet before stopping and being taken into custody. Complaining witness is defendant's mother, and she advised that he slapped her arm, face, and put his hand around her throat, pushed her against the front door, and scratched her face. He also.
This is no small family spat. Strangulation, physical assault, even a baseball bat to his mom's car, this paints a violent pattern. And here's the legal kicker, in many states, when a man chokes a family member, the charge is automatically bumped up to a felony because of how deadly it can be. No wonder the judge is taking this so seriously.
Grabbed the baseball bat and struck her vehicle with it. We have a 2024 AFM for the previous conviction. I'm trying to see if that's the same complaining witness, Your Honor.
File anymore, is that it?
It has been dismissed, Your Honor.
No. It looks like here there's a simultaneous criminal mischief. Could be an assault on mom.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any other charges coming? I mean, all we have here is an evading arrest.
I don't know what Chief Petrov intends to do with this case. I do see the facts, though, that you're seeing, Your Honor. And it looks like the AFM had been dismissed, and there was a 2021 resisting that was dismissed, a 2021 criminal mischief that was dismissed, and a 2018 AFM impeding that was deferred, and it's on the same complaining witnesses in this case.
He has another prior choking case against mom.
No, sir, that is incorrect.
Seeing 2018 assault family member impeding, and the complainant is Miss Chandrea Marie Burks.
It's the mother of my son.
Stop. I don't need your help, do I? All you're doing is you're putting yourself into more hot water, Mr. Banks.
Mr. Banks, in this case, it is
the same complaining witness?
Not, Your Honor. It's a different person.
It is, okay.
Mr.
Mr. Banks, I'm ordering you as a condition of your, but well, first off, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to order you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're smoking any dope, using alcohol, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds, sir. You got out of jail free today because we gave you a free bond. You will not get another one, and I'm going to do everything in my power to protect the public, even your mother, or anyone else who's walking on the street. Do you understand, sir? I'm ordering you now as a condition of also not to have any contact with your mom, not to go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works, and not to be in possession of weapons, sir. What do you do for a living?
And now, DoorDash, I'm in the midst of looking for an actual job.
You have a Texas driver license.
sir.
You have valid liability insurance in your name.
Say again?
Valid liability insurance in your name. Then you are not allowed to drive until you have insurance in your name. Do you understand? What is this smirk on your face?
I mean, I just told you I DoorDash, and that's pretty much how I make my income. And you're telling me I can't do that now without insurance. I'm on someone else's insurance, but as far as one in my complete name, it's not. But I'm on someone.
Insurance has to have your name on the policy, as well as which car you drive. That tells me if you have both of those things that you are actually covered with for whichever car you're driving. If you don't have those two, then you're not allowed to drive. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law.
Yes, sir.
And if you're not driving, if you don't have liability insurance, you may not drive. That's it. If you want to drive, go get liability insurance and show us that you have it, and then I will take this restriction off of you. You will now be signing an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Your conduct, the way you've been in the last 5 minutes, is extremely insulting. And you're looking at your watch, the way you're smirking. I'm telling you.
And I apologize for that. I don't mean to. I'm a tad bit tired, so my smirk is very unintentional. I'm just a tad bit tired, man. I've been up since 3 a.m.
Oh, bad move. Smirking in front of a judge is like poking a bear with a stick. Judges read body language like a book, and his smirk screams disrespect. Viewers, what do you think? Was he just tired like he claims, or was that arrogance leaking out?
I'm just trying to maintain. I don't talk to my mom. I haven't seen her in months now.
Stop.
So yeah.
I don't want to talk about the case. I'm just
Okay.
Perception is reality. Mr. Banks,
Yes, sir.
did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer?
You suggest it?
It's up to you. You need a lawyer because you're facing a year in jail. I'm giving you the opportunity to apply for an appointed lawyer, or you can go hire a lawyer.
You know, I'll process that.
Okay. Do you mind, Stephen, giving an application? I'm going to have you, Stephen's going to give you an application. You will swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will get you to Victoria, sign a reset. Then eventually you'll get the choice of your bond conditions. And after that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box while we find your lawyer, sir. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Sin permiso.
Without permission.
What happens if you go to jail?
No sé, niño deportado.
I don't know. I'd probably be deported.
How long do you think you will sit in custody until that happens?
Hace.
No sé.
Think.
Piense.
Meses, años.
I don't know. Honestly, maybe months, years.
Why would you take the chance?
¿Haría usted el riesgo?
You already have a DWI.
Ya tiene un caso de-
Why would you even take more of a chance where you would go to jail?
Iría a una cárcel.
No, ya no tomaría más riesgos.
I gotta take any more
Cumpliría
risks.
todo lo que es cumplir la ley.
Perdón, ¿cómo?
O sea, cumpliría todo lo que, como es la ley.
I would comply with everything regarding the law.
You haven't yet.
No lo ha hecho todavía.
That's why I'm asking you.
Por eso le estoy preguntando.
Why do you over and over put yourself into a position where you will go to jail or immigration will put a detainer on you?
Protecciones contra. ¿Qué sentido tiene eso? Doesn't have any reason.
Your lawyer
Abogado,
is damn near begging
acá
for me not to put you in jail, Mr. Rivera.
no meterlo usted en una cárcel, señor.
You have not maintained good contact with him. You failed me twice to go take a drug and alcohol test.
Sabe de
So
droga.
why would I let you stay out on bond
Bajo
now?
cancha ahora. ¿Por qué?
Es que no tenía teléfono, pues se me quebró y pues ya no.
I didn't have a telephone, it broke on me.
Y bueno,
I do not believe that for a second.
Segundo,
If you think that I believe that you don't have a phone,
yo creo que usted no tiene un teléfono.
a mediados de
No
mayo,
interrumpe.
I may look stupid,
No, que me
but I'm not.
no soy.
Looks are deceiving.
Apariencias son deceptivas.
I'm going to put an ankle monitor on your leg today
Pierna a partir del día de hoy.
because I cannot trust you. And
Did you catch that? Stuck like Chuck translation, if this guy slips up, he's not seeing daylight anytime soon. That ankle monitor is not just jewelry, it's a 24/7 tattletale strapped to him, reporting drinking, location, and compliance straight back to the court.
I'm gonna tell you now, if you ever fail me again,
Vuelve a fallar otra vez,
I'm going to make your bond so high, you will be stuck like Chuck
se va a quedar
in
en
jail.
la cárcel, ¿entendido?
You have
Usted
one day to get this device on your leg. You must charge it every day.
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Have I made myself clear?
¿Me he hecho claro con usted, señor?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Ever fail me again.
Vuelve a fallar tan solo una vez, de nuevo,
Over.
se termina. Eso se termina.
You will get no more sympathy
No
from me.
recibir más
If he
simpatía.
fails me again. I don't care what the excuses. I don't care if Mother Teresa tells him to do something
Si
different.
Madre Teresa le dice que haga algo,
And another
pero
sympathy
no va a recibir
excuse
más simpatía o
with him.
Thanks,
I will
Judge.
make a docket notation for everything that has transpired today so that there's no tolerance.
de ninguna
And then
tolerancia.
That's a ankle monitor. to determine whether
it is a this scram device detects alcohol through perspiration in your body.
Sudador,
Be careful whatever you put in your body
cuidado con lo que usted consume en su cuerpo.
because it will detect anything. If you try to come here and tell me that you took mouthwash or that you took NyQuil, I don't care. You will go to jail.
E iré a una cárcel.
Sí, señor.
So Tracy, today he's got to get it on.
Hoy él tiene que tener el tobillo, la gente, la máquina del tobillo, la con el tobillo.
What do you do for a living?
¿Qué se dedica usted? ¿En qué trabaja, señor?
Roofing.
Roofing.
How much money do you
¿Qué
make a
tanto
month?
dinero gana por mes aproximadamente?
Depende de los días que trabajemos. No,
How much money do you make a
Gana por
month?
mes.
You know exactly how much you make.
Gana usted, ¿cuánto es una aproximación?
2,300.
Around what we were able to work, maybe 2,000, 2,300.
And you can't get a phone
No
with
puede
that kind of money that you make?
dinero que gana usted, señor.
Really?
En realidad,
En realidad no ha habido mucho trabajo y
there hasn't been a lot of work. It's been
de 2, 3 días. Más o
We've
menos.
only been hired for maybe 2 or 3 days at a time.
This has been going on for a month.
Pasando por un mes.
Judge, as a roofer, if there's rain, I mean, there's
Chero,
no
si
worse.
hay
It's been raining for 3 days, Frank. It has not rained for an entire 30-day period where he's not been unable to work.
llovido por 30 días.
You know, really.
A lot of storms.
He's peeing on my leg and telling me it's raining is what's going on here.
Sobre mi pierna y me está echando-
Regardless, I'm putting a monitor on you now.
Monitor sobre su
If this device goes dead,
reto.
so do you.
Pero
You are on notice now.
ojo, aviso.
Okay, Frank. Let me see. How old is this case as well? It's 140 days old. So,
I'm gonna work on it, Judge, right? I'm
Vamos a
at
trabajarlo.
yeah, in 30 days,
30
you
días.
must be ready to do something with the case, right? Because by then it'll, you know,
Eso.
if you want to do
Voy a
PTI,
hacer algo del programa.
get on it now, please. Is he approved
No sé.
for PTI?
No, we have to make it.
It's mitigation, Your Honor. And I don't
If
see an
that's
offer.
something that you want to do,
I'm gonna talk to him and,
Póngase alto y voy a hablar con él.
will you, with the, machine, is that gonna cover that, Judge?
What?
more rewards for this gentleman.
Más cargas para que puedan cubrir los pagos de
It's reward after reward after reward.
It'll
And
be, it's a reward, so if he messes up, that's what
Sí,
we
erra.
wanna make sure. that
Yo quiero asegurarme que no tenga problemas de que luego
You know, if he has that ankle
tiene su
monitor,
monitor de tobillo.
that's what we want to prevent.
Es lo que queremos prevenir, lo que vamos a prevenir.
I hope, above all else in this life, that you are not driving. Because I'm telling you now, if I find that you're driving, I
Está
will
manejando.
lose my shaisa. I will
Yeah.
absolutely, my head will explode because I will be so upset.
Está por-
Do-
está tan molesto.
Not drive.
No manejo. No he manejado todo el tiempo.
I've not been driving this whole time.
I wish I could believe you.
Ojalá que yo
That's why I'm warning you.
creerle, por eso lo estoy advirtiendo.
Wait it, Tracy.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
No, 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 pase.
Join our Courtwire family, hit subscribe and stay updated.